As a food and beverage producer, you know the challenges. Rising operational costs, performance not meeting expectations, legacy systems slowing you down, widening skills gap. Running a modern food and beverage factory has never been more demanding, but there's a way forward. Integrated, optimized, connected. Introducing Tetra Pak Factory OS, a groundbreaking new smart factory solution for faster, better decisions every day. Built on decades of experience with products just like yours. Customized to amplify what makes you unique, and backed by a strong, open ecosystem of technology collaborations. With Tetra Pak Factory OS, we're leveraging our expertise to unleash the full potential of your factory through data-driven insights. At its heart, a powerful new data integration platform. It connects every piece of equipment and transforms fragmented data into one contextualized, real-time view of your factory. It powers smart applications, from production and asset management to quality, knowledge, and materials, and gives you the critical foundation to realize the maximum value of your analytics and AI investments. The result? Lower total cost of ownership, higher productivity, consistent quality, and faster, smarter decisions. Tetra Pak Factory OS is open, scalable, and flexible. And yes, it's built with cybersecurity in mind. So what's your challenge? Let's solve it.